Okay guys, this is summer, but little chill. That's why I have this one. So we are just planting new plants. Muhammad is helping Muhammad also. We're gonna plant now a red rose. It's a tiny one. You know this one.
We dug a hole already to put it in.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna carefully take it out of the pot and then put it in.
Okay, just hold for me. So we do like this. So once it's this way, and then we can let me. Okay, this way, and then so these are the first layers. So Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Here. See? I think it's the same level, Moeed, no?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
Now Muhammad, put down. Muhammad also. We're gonna plant now a red rose. It's a tiny one. You know this one.
We dug a hole already to put it in.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna carefully take it out of the.
So we do like this. So once it's this way, and then we can see. I think it's the same level, Moeed, no?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
Now Muhammad, put down. Okay. Good job, Moise. Oh, Moise done it. Thank you, Moise. चलो बंद करो बस अब मैं कब निकालूं अच्छा मैं कर गुड जॉब मोहम्मद थैंक्स फॉर योर thank you. So this plant we're gonna plant now, inshallah. This one we just did. So all these three done.